Díomh rang a hain. Hi, first class. Today we're just going to do a really short exercise. It's just a short video. We're going to be looking at Frásaí Gaeilge, Irish phrases. So it's really simple. First of all, you're going to see some phrases in Irish that I'm going to put up on the screen, and you'll have a few seconds to try and think of what those phrases are in English. And then the second half are phrases in English that you will have to try and think of how you would say in Irish. Okay? Really simple. All you have to do is let me know how you got on. If you want to, you can send me a short voice note or video saying some of the phrases and what they mean as well. Let's start. Cad é Gaeilge I méarla. Gaeilge. It means hello. Cad é conas atá tú I méarla. Conas atá tú means how are you? Cad é tá mé go maith? No, níl mé go maith. I méarla. Tá mé go maith? Níl mé go maith. That means I'm good or I'm fine. Or the second one is I'm not good, I'm not fine. Tá mé go maith means I'm good. Níl mé go maith means I'm not so good. Cad é go raibh maith agat I méarla. Go raibh maith agat. That means thank you. And if you're very thankful, you can say go raibh míle maith agat. Cad é le do hell I méarla. Le do hell. That one means please. Please. So if you want something from Mr. Dunk, you can put le do hell at the end. Okay, so English phrases now. How would you say these in Irish, I wonder? So the first one is, you're welcome. You're welcome. Ta fáilte roit. Ta fáilte roit. How would you say, excuse me? Excuse me. Gov ma le scéal. Gov ma le scéal. If you did something wrong or something by accident and you wanted to say sorry to someone, how would you say sorry? Brón orm. Tá brón orm. What if you wanted to ask someone their name? How would you say, what is your name, to someone you didn't know whose name, someone who you didn't know the name of? Cad is anam ditch. Cad is anam ditch. And finally, if someone asked that to you, how would you say, my name is Mr. Dunk? Or whatever your name is, obviously. My name is, or I am Mr. Dunk. Mr. Dunk is anam dum. No. Ismisha Mr. Dunk. Okay, that's the end. Nice and short video, that one for you. Let me know how you got on. Bye.